Yeah, this Buck here, Buck Johnson, on the Buck Fishing Show, where we get buck nasty at. I'm using topwater ribbit right here. Caught me a nice old bass. It's just the only thing we do every day on the canals out here in South Florida. Okay? I'm a South Florida angler. You know, we don't keep these and take these home. You know, we catch them and we put them back in the canals so they can get real big and fat. There you go, fella. There you go, and he just swims off. Hey, I'll tell you what, you go down to your local fishing spot, you get you some of these ribbits here, and you just weed them up, weedless, put the hook through them, through that underbelly right there, come out through the top here where it's got that little groove right there. I'll tell you what, you'll be catching fish in no time. That's another episode here of Buck Johnson with the Buck Nasty Show, and we'll catch you next time.
Wizard.
Oh shit, get the fuck away from that shit. How big ass you going, husband?